This is the Keurig K Elite model. It is the latest model available to the market. The price is a little bit steep. It is $169.99. That's a little bit expensive for an appliance that you're going to use once or twice a day. Me, I use it a few times a day, maybe 3 times a day, depending on how often I'm home or not. The drip tray on it is fully removable. It has the portion that the cup rests on is metal, and it comes with a pretty decent sized water reservoir, which is 75 ounces. Let's go ahead and assemble it. You just place the water reservoir on as so. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So as you see, there's a blue light that kicked on under the reservoir, and it's now flashing because it definitely wants a certain amount of water in it. So when the blue light flashes, that means it's time to put some more water in it. So what I do like about it is it's a pretty quiet brewer. You've seen when I turned it on, it's not very loud. It will come with a water filter kit, which comes in, this is the actual handle. This is the portion that the filter rests on. You just slide it in and pop it out. So I have this portion already soaking with the filter like you're supposed to do when your Keurig is brand new. You have to soak the filter for approximately 5 minutes, and then you have to rinse it under running water for I believe 90 seconds or a minute, something like that. So let's go ahead and assemble it. So here's the filter, the handle already, I assembled it for you. It snaps into the brewer like that. Now let's go ahead and add some water. So once you add the water, the blinking blue light will stop blinking and it'll just stay on. The blue light doesn't stay on the entire time. It will stay on until you turn the brewer off or until it powers itself off. So the brewer brews 5 sizes: 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounce cups. And let's go ahead and get into some of the programmable features. So here is your power button. Here is your settings. So you're going to use that button a lot when you want to program your brewer and customize it a little bit. It does have a clock, which I absolutely love. It has the add water button, or not a button, but a indicator light. It will flash along with the blue light in the reservoir when you need water. It will also blink and let you know when you need to descale it. So it does have the strong button, and it has the option to do just regular hot water. So you no longer have to, lift this portion up, close it, and then hit your size. So what you want to do is just turn it on. Let's say you just want some hot water. You would just select hot water and then whichever size you would like. It does have an iced coffee option, which it does brew the coffee hot over ice to make the iced coffee. So let's go ahead and brew a cup. This is the Green Mountain Dark Magic, which is one of my favorites. Like I said, I've had this brewer for approximately 1 month and I absolutely love it. It definitely is a very convenient item and I absolutely love it. So as you can tell, I just selected a 12-ounce cup and it's not very loud. You can hear it pouring, but it's not a very loud brewer. I had one model and it was extremely loud. But I definitely find it to be more quiet, a little more convenient, and just all around it's a great brewer. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, currently Keurig is running a promotion. If you buy the brewer, you get 2 free boxes of coffee. And they currently do have a bundle where it's a brewer, you get a couple accessories, and I believe that is about $200. So the coffee brewed in less than in about a minute, pretty quiet, and there you have it. So hope you guys enjoyed this review.